Hello, welcome to Knowledge and Skills Academy. Please kindly subscribe to this channel. God bless you so much for doing that. Today we want to look at set and then we want to use these examples here to solve it. And the first one says that given that root 2 is equal to 1.4142, find the value of root 32. So let me start with that one. So we are having solution. They say given that root 2 is 1.4142, and then we have to find the value of root 32. So I have to work on the root 32. Now, to work on the root 32, I need to look for a perfect square number. Now, when I multiply it with a certain number, I'll get 32. And that perfect square number is 16. So it becomes the root of 16 times 2. Even here, we are given the clue that we have to use 2. So 16 times 2 will give us 32. But this is a perfect square number. So this can also be written as root 16 times the root of 2. And then root 16 is 4. It becomes 4 root 2. But they say root 2, the root of 2 is equal to 1.4142. So what I'll do is that it will now become 4 into brackets. When I see root 2, I'll put what? 1.4142. It becomes 1.4142. So this means they are multiplying. So this can also be written as 4 times 1.4142. Then how then do you multiply this? Now I will teach you this way. I will not make use of the decimal point now. So I'll be having something like 14142, and I will multiply by 4. After the multiplication, I will count the decimal points I'm having here, and then I'll run it off. So 2 times 4 give me 8. 4 times 4 give me 16. I'll write 6. And then I carry 1. 4 times 1 will give me 4 plus 1, 5. Then, so the next one is 4 times 4 will give me 16. So I'll write 6, carry 1. And then 4 times 1 will give me 4 plus 1 will give me 5. Now you realize that after the decimal point, I am having 4 numbers or 4 places. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will now move the points. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then it means that my answer here will be 5.6568. So therefore, root 32 is equal to 5.6568. Very simple. Now let's look at number 2. It says simplify the root of 18. So we are simplifying root 18 minus 2 out of the root of 2. So what I have to do is that I need to rationalize this set here, and then I need to simplify root 18. And if you want to simplify root 18, you have to look for a perfect square number. When you multiply it to another number, then you have to get 18, and that perfect square number is 9. So the root of 18 can also be written as 9 times 2 minus 2 out of the root of 2. But I want to rationalize this, please. Let me put it in bracket. And how do you rationalize? You use the denominator to multiply the numerator and the denominator itself. So it becomes 2 times the root of 2 dividing times the root of 2. Then this can be written as the root of 9 times the root of 2 minus 2 times root 2 will give you 2 root 2 dividing root 2 times root 2 will give you 2. Why? 2 times 2 will give you 4 and the root of 4 is 2. But anytime you are multiplying this, you know this is a root, this is another root, the root will cancel. So, and the root 9 here will give me 3. So it becomes 3 root 2. But don't forget, here is 2 and here is 2. So this 2 here can cancel this 2 here. So I am now left with minus root 2. Now, since we are having 2 here, we can add or subtract. We only add or subtract said when this number here is the same as this number here. And there is 1 here, but we don't write it. So it becomes 3 minus 1 into brackets. You maintain one of the roots, so root 2. And then 3 minus 1 will give you 2. And then root 2. So it means that, therefore, root 18 minus 2 out of the root of 2 is equal to 2 root 2. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you.